So we got another pair of Yeezys to look at. What's good, guys? My name is John Alexander. In today's video, we will be checking out the new Yeezy 350 V2 Flax pair. So y'all stay tuned for the video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So this pair dropped back February 22nd. It was part of that regional exclusive drop, which we saw 3 different pairs of 350s drop in different regions. So depending on what area, determine on what pair you can get. In North America here, we got the Earth pair. Europe, they got the tail light. And then of course, Asia Pacific area, they got these Flax joints right here. I don't really know. I feel like these are probably the worst out of the 3 pairs. I feel like here in the Americas, we got the best colorway in the Earth. And the tail lights were decent as well, but we'll see. I feel like these are gonna be like the glows and the citron, but that's just from photos or whatever. So I guess I should get my citron pair out. I know I got them somewhere around here. So I'm hoping they change my mind by looking at these in person, but I doubt it. So yeah, pick these up off Go. Okay. Yeah, totally different than what I expected. So here we go, first impression. What do y'all think about these 350 V2 Flax? Let me know in the comments down below. So we got a look here on the channel at the new Yeezy 350 V2 Flax pair. So if y'all are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So on this pair, you have the white exposed boost that we're familiar with. Now this sole is very see-through, so much that you can see the yellow popping right through. And you'll even notice a little area of separation, which makes this sneaker unique compared to other 350 V2s. So of course, the upper is gonna be a yellow color, but a very pale yellow color. And what also makes this sneaker unique is you'll notice this little white stitching being woven through here, which gives it a unique vibe. Translucent stripe also is gonna show that yellow going through this. Real dope colorway overall. Again, let me know what y'all think about these joints. Are these a cop or a drop for y'all? Yeezy 350 V2 Flax. All right, guys, so bottom line, am I mad at this pair? No, I'm not. Are these a must cop? No, they are not. This is just another one of those colorways that I feel like if you don't own several pairs of 350s, then these are a cop. Like I mentioned, it looked like these 2 right here had a baby and came out with these. Let me show y'all. I mean, look, we're gonna put the stepchild right in the middle. Come on now. So these do have the pull tab though. So it seems like a lot of people love the pull tab or whatever, but me, I don't really care. I would probably just go without the pull tab, to be honest. Like, my favorite version of the 350 V2s were definitely this version. So no pull tab, just real clean. But yeah, these are alright. it's just like hard to style. It's a pale yellow. It's not doing too much. It doesn't make me like want to run out and grab these, but they're decent though. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna rank the 350s that have actually already dropped this year in 2020. So I think it's been about 5. Hopefully I'm not wrong, but so at number 5, I'm gonna go with the Yeshaya. I feel like those were just a pointless drop, and they were kind of trolling us, I swear. So at number 5, Yeshaya. Number 4, I'm gonna actually put these joints at number 4. Number 3, I'm gonna go with the Taillight. 2, Marsh, and at number 1, I'm gonna go with the Earth joints. Those were just the dopest to me so far. So let me know what y'all think was the best 350 released thus far. Now for 2020, my favorite color so far is the currently unreleased Desert Sage joints. But let me know what y'all are looking forward to. I also am a fan of the Zion, but I gotta get them in hand to let y'all really know how I feel about those joints. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what y'all think about these. Are they a cop or a drop for you guys? So we'll wrap it up, y'all. Thanks again for watching. I'm John Alexander. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.